Hello guys, Nick Z. This is going to be a little short video, mostly for T1000 and over Unity, concerning testing the ground line, which is this red line going out here with this coil here. So it's a green toroid. I'm not sure what value that is, but I've got it hooked up here to with my scope, and I also have a ground line coming off that connects over here onto the same ground line, my main red line. So anyway, I don't know really what to do with this thing as far as tuning right now. I just following what T1000 was saying and trying to get the best output from the ground line, at the ground line, from the high voltage. Now I don't know if he meant that this should have the Kacher on by itself, or if Kacher needs to be on with the induction circuit. So I'm just doing it by itself, because if I connect any of my probes up to this capacitor or that group of little capacitors at the output of the grenade, it just shorts out the high voltage, so I don't get a proper reading or effect on the scope. I have to do it with the scopes off. The only probe I have on is the ground line right now. So what if I turn on the Kacher? This is the signal that I get. Can't get too close to that. I can't get the camera too close to that, otherwise it started blanking out on me. So anyway, that's the best signal I can get. Right now I tuned the Kacher for 1.6 megahertz, and it runs best. The best effect I get right now is 1.63 megahertz at the output of this little coil here. So the blue trace is the high voltage, and the voltages don't mean anything. It's just probe is just laying next to the antenna coil, and the yellow trace is the yellow channel that is connected to the toroid. So these are kind of the best values I could get at this setting, just to try 1.6 to see if there's any magic in and around that point. So if I'm doing this wrong, or should try something else, just let me know. Right now I've disconnected my rectifier and any bulbs or anything going back to the feedback circuit, which is this power supply right here, and I've tuned the Kacher with this thing here. As you can see, I can tune a little bit just with the let me see if I can get a little closer in there. I can tune a little bit with this thing here and get the best output and best form. The yellow being again the toroid out here. So anyway, that's what I've been doing, and I don't know if that helps or doesn't help. You know, I'll see when I hook up the whole feedback circuit and load of bulbs and all that stuff. And in the meantime, this is what I have to show. Thanks for watching, and keeping up. Any ideas are welcome. Thanks.